Insurance companies want you to accept a settlement for less than what your case is worth. This strategy can save the insurance company massive amounts of money. If you have sustained significant injuries in an automobile accident, slip or trip and fall incident, or any other type of personal injury case, do not let the insurance company take advantage of you. Follow the tip I'm going to explain in this video to help your chances at possibly having a big payday. To illustrate how this tip can work in a real-life case, let me tell you the story of my past client, Liz. Liz's case involved a car accident, but what I'm about to teach you in this video applies to all types of personal injury cases, including also slip or trip and fall cases, dog attack injury cases, and any other type of personal injury case. Liz was a passenger in her husband's vehicle when a careless driver pulled out in front of them. Her husband was unable to stop in time before crashing into the at-fault driver's vehicle. Liz was taken by ambulance to the hospital from the scene of the accident, where she complained of pain in her spine and shoulder. Diagnostic testing was performed at the hospital, but it revealed she did not sustain any broken bones. Liz treated with a chiropractor for several months before eventually giving physical therapy a try because her pain continued. In fact, she continued to have significant problems even after receiving physical therapy, so she finally had an MRI on her right shoulder a little over a year after her motor vehicle accident. The MRI revealed a complete tear in her right shoulder. She did not realize she had a tear in her right shoulder for over a year after her accident. After the tear in her right shoulder was discovered, she ended up having surgery to repair her right shoulder tear some months after the MRI. After the surgery, she endured physical therapy treatment on her shoulder. After surgery, my office gathered all of Liz's medical records and bills for her medical treatment following her accident. I then sent a written demand to the other driver's insurance company demanding that the insurance company pay its policy limits. However, the insurance company delayed and failed to provide us with a timely response to the written demand I sent, so I filed a lawsuit. The filing of the lawsuit finally got the other driver's insurance company moving. You see, very shortly after filing the lawsuit, the other driver's insurance company gave in and offered the policy limits of $100,000 to settle Liz's injury case against their insured driver. But we did not stop there. You see, Liz had underinsured motorist insurance coverage. Underinsured motorist coverage is a type of insurance coverage on your automobile policy that pays for your injury damage in the event the at-fault driver did not have enough insurance coverage to cover the full cost of your damages. In Liz's case, when I filed her lawsuit, I included claims against her insurance company for underinsured motorist coverage under her automobile insurance policy. Thus, I named her insurance company as a defendant in the lawsuit as well. After the other driver's insurance company paid out the policy limits, I sent a demand package to Liz's insurance company, the underinsured motorist insurance carrier. But Liz's insurance company did not just roll over and pay us the policy limits right away. They played hardball. In fact, they only made us an initial offer of $15,000 to settle the underinsured motorist claim. With my advice, Liz decided to reject this offer, and we continued litigating Liz's case. And what did I do next? This leads me to my tip. If you have an injury case where you sustained a significant injury, do not back down from the insurance company. You need to show them that you mean business and that you will not accept a lowball settlement. So what I did next was inform the defense lawyer retained by Liz's insurance company that we will not accept any offer less than the underinsured motorist coverage policy limits. And you know what? This tactic eventually worked after further litigation of Liz's case. The underinsured motorist carrier saw that we meant business and eventually paid out the $50,000 underinsured motorist coverage policy limits. This brought Liz's total recovery to $160,000, as she also got $10,000 in no-fault insurance coverage to go towards her medical bills, along with the $100,000 policy limits from the at-fault driver's insurer. By telling the insurance company defense lawyer that we would only accept an offer of the policy limits, we showed the insurance company that Liz would not just accept some lowball settlement offer. I knew Liz had a policy limits case, and we refused to accept anything less than the policy limits. If you have sustained significant injuries, this strategy can help you obtain a big payday. But the thing is, what happens if there's plenty of insurance coverage available to you for your injuries sustained following a car accident, but you don't know really where to begin when it comes to trying to negotiate a settlement in your case? Well, if that is the case, watch this video about to pop up right here where I show you how car accident injury settlements work. Lastly, if you've been injured in a car accident, slip or trip and fall incident, or dog attack incident in Kentucky, remember to don't wait, call Tate.